Well, I think now everything's been done. The beef stew, carne con papa, is now completely done. If you notice, I want you to look well that the actual water is reduced and it is a stew. You want to look for the thickness in the gravy like that. Everything is nice and thick. If it looks still watery, it still needs to process. It still needs to cook down. It needs to simmer some more and keep it going. But it should look something like this when you're done, nice and thick, full of gravy. Touch your meat. I want you to go ahead and press it down. And if your spoon goes all the way through, you'll notice that the meat is cooked and done. Okay, so that's another sign for you to know that this is ready to go ahead and serve on a plate. And you want to turn it off and now let it cool down, of course, before you eat it. It should be completely done, and we're going to serve this on a plate of white rice.